What's up guys, welcome back to day 3 of 100 days of LinkedIn. If you're enjoying these videos, please do comment, like and subscribe on whatever format you're watching this on. So what makes a good LinkedIn profile? It's an excellent question. I think the most obvious thing, to be honest with you guys, is just fill in your bloody profile, right? Now, a lot of people kind of get lazy because they don't fill in every element of your profile. Look at the best profile that you can find and then try and 10x that. So the simplest way to do that oftentimes is just making sure you have a filled in summary, making sure that you're using LinkedIn rich media, making sure that maybe you're even using emojis. How many recommendations do you have? How many endorsements do you have? Thunder and lightning, I think, perhaps in the background. You know, what are all of these elements you have? Have you listed your voluntary experience? Have you listed, you know, the languages that you speak or any charitable work that you've done? Have you actually filled in your work experience adequately, sir? Have you put rich media next to all of your actual pieces of work experience? There's all of these elements that I've just described that you could add to your profile, as well as your cover image and a nice profile picture that I guarantee 90% of you have not filled in to its full extent. So that's how you start.